Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a Among Us lock screen for Android phone. First of all, we have to install an app. So go to your Play Store and search for Among Us lock screen, and all you have to need install these Among Us lock screen app in your Android phone. Once the app installed, just open the app and permission to appear on top, tap onto it now, and here enable Among Us lock screen. Go back from the settings, read phone state permission, tap onto it now, and allow every permission for this app. And now you have to disable your current phone lock. So I'm going to disabling fingerprint, face, and everything from here. And now once you are in this app homepage, here must enable lock screen option and tap on set password and pin and select a security question here and enter here the security question answer. Tap on save, and now enter a passcode for your lock screen. So I'm typing one. And now to change your Among Us lock screen wallpaper, just come to this app page again, tap on change wallpaper, and from here you will be able to select any different wallpaper for your lock screen, and then just tap on save to apply. So this is how we can. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.